A good day from the Chardon Weather Center. This week I'm going to quickly go over the maps and then show you what we are facing on the East Coast, primarily for sometime late Wednesday into perhaps Thursday, with an East Coast storm that could produce various forms of precipitation depending upon temperatures. Right here we have Sunday, and as we can see on Sunday we got warm air spreading northward with rains coming into the area, and it should be a rather nice day for my good friends along the coast, with periods of showers and heavier rain in the northern Ohio Valley up to areas of Buffalo, where it could cause some flooding problems. Monday we have a nice warm day with periods of showers along the coast, rains in the Ohio Valley area, and colder air behind this storm system, which will have a big influence on the weekly weather, especially along the coast. On Tuesday, we have colder air filtering into the northern Ohio Valley, with cold air approaching the coastal plain, and that's going to produce some serious conditions perhaps on Thursday and late Wednesday. On Wednesday afternoon, we have a storm system gaining some strength away from the Carolinas toward Virginia, and that's going to produce various forms of precipitation, and depending upon how close it is to the coast will determine who gets the rain, who gets the snow, who gets the mix, and who gets nothing. By Thursday afternoon, that storm is rocketing up across the Atlantic, up towards the Canadian provinces, way up here near Nova Scotia. And we have a little disturbance that could bring a period or two of snow into the northern Ohio Valley. Right here we have the map showing late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning, where the storm system may be along the eastern coast. Right here we have the European model, which shows a storm hugging the coast right off of Virginia. I just wanted to show you what the other models are showing. With this particular storm system at this particular location, it would be rains along the coast with perhaps some heavy snow further inland. Right here we have the Yuki, and that has a very close storm path to the European, and just wanted to show you this one, and I'll show you several other models just to show you how confusing it can get. This is only some 4 days away, so it's certainly something we have to watch carefully, because depending upon the track, it could be make a world of difference whether who sees the rain, who sees the snow, and who sees the slop. Right here we have the Canadian for the same time frame, and it shows little bit of nothing really, nothing really developed along the East Coast, according to the Canadian model. Now, next and last model will be the GFS. And right here we have a little bit of a weaker system than the Euro and the Yuki was showing, and this is a little bit further off out to sea than the other models, and we still have some time to tweak it. We should certainly have a pretty good idea what's going on perhaps by midday today, as far as how big the storm may be, but it might be till Tuesday or even Wednesday morning before we really have an idea as to who's going to see the rain, who's going to see the snow, and who will see the slop. I thank you so much for joining me from the Chardon Weather Center.